Okay, so biggest problem that I'm seeing is that people are making content online that actually doesn't do anything. You're hearing crickets when you create content, and that's defeating, but it's also a waste of your time and your energy, which are truly your most valuable resources. So I create what I like to call client magnet content, and it's really based off of 3 steps. So the strategy is centered around something we call profitable content. So profitable content really is the center of the system. So we put that here. Profitable content is content that you create that actually turns into clients. So it turns viewers, followers, likes, subscribers into paying clients. So we've had clients have like 160 subscribers and generate $3,000 in revenue. We've had clients go from 800 subscribers and doing videos every single day for like 3 years and generating no ROI to using our system, which we call the Sunny system, for a month and generating 5 to 7K weeks. So it works. But it's really important to understand that your profitable content is really the center of the entire system and how you attract clients with your content. And your profitable content is really based around things that people are searching for, because you have to remember that Google is the largest search engine in the world and it owns YouTube. And so people are searching, your customers, your clients are searching right now for answers to their questions and solutions to their problems. And you, as the entrepreneur, are the problem solver. So you have to create content that actually solves a problem. And that's what creates profitable content. So the thing that's really cool about this is the next part of our strategy is that this profitable content right here is a magnet for your ideal clients. And it also builds out your email list. It builds out Facebook, it builds out Insta, it builds out all of your other social platforms, and it also builds out your customers. So not only is it growing your following wherever you're posting the profitable content, it's also attracting people and converting people to become followers in other places, diversify your audience, and build your own audience. So the second part of our strategy is about building your own audience so that you don't have to rely on paid ads or any algorithm. You don't have to rely on the social media algorithms to push you out because they always change. So if you're relying on them, you could technically get screwed, or your business could get screwed. And we've seen that happen before when Instagram shuts down for the day or when Facebook accounts get deactivated. So profitable content leads into step 2 and allows you to build your own audience. Now, once you have your own audience, it allows you to leverage that audience to have a built-in database, really, of buyers and clients, which has allowed our clients to generate 40K in an hour doing just a webinar. It was actually first webinar for that client, because you have an audience of people who are already loyal to you because you've made content that solves their problems. So you come in as the superhero that they've been looking for, it builds loyalty, and then they want to buy from you. And once you have them on your email list, you have them on all your social platforms, you are everywhere they look, and you become the center of their Sunny system, the center of their universe, and the only go-to authority that they want to work with. So how do you tie all of this together to bring in clients on autopilot all day, every day? The final piece of this puzzle is what we call evergreen sales machine. No, I apologize that this is so messy, but your evergreen sales machine is really, truly an automated process that takes people from not knowing who you are, complete strangers, to becoming customers and clients in a very quick fashion and manner. So if you want to know how this whole thing ties together, how our clients are leveraging this, how you can leverage it for your own business, and how I have created this and been using this for years to create a multi-7-figure business per year, you want to sign up at the link around this video so you can get in on our masterclass. So I will see you there, and we will build your evergreen sales machine. See you there.